Sanxingdui Sacred Bronze Tree. In 1997, the Sanxingdui Museum was established, and the sacred bronze tree was displayed to the public for the first time. The Sanxingdui site is located in the province of Sichuan, China, and is around 3,000 years old. The site was first excavated in 1986. There was 2 sacrificial pits filled with ivory, bronze, gold, jade, and pottery. With the exception of the ivory, the objects in the burial pits had been broken and burned. Thus, it took the archaeological team years to restore the objects for display. There are a number of bronze trees discovered, but we will be talking about tree number 1. The restored sacred tree is 3.96 meters tall. It could be taller, since the top of it is missing. It has a triangular base that is shaped like mountain ridges. The tree itself is split into 3 segments. Each segment has 3 branches coming out of the main trunk, and each branch has a bird perched on top of it. On the side, there is a dragon climbing down the trunk. There's also fruits on the tree. The birds could be a reference to the Chinese myth of Jinwu, which is a kind of mythological bird that carries the sun across the sky each day. Legend has it that there's 10 such birds, and each day one of the birds would carry the sun across the sky from the east to the west. Because of this, the bronze tree is believed to be a representation of the mythological tree Fusang, which the birds would rest on during their days off. Thus, there's some debate on whether there's another bird on top of the tree or not. Some people believe the birds on the trees were modeled after cormorants, which lived in the area. The dragon and the fruits on the bronze tree point to another tree in mythology called Jianmu, which is a sacred tree that connected the heavens with the earth, and thus the people with the gods. Dragons are often the mounts of gods in Chinese mythology, and thus this theory is plausible too. With these contextual clues, the archaeological team believes bronze tree number 1 has to do with sun worship and communicating with the gods. And just in case you're curious, here's the other restored tree on display at the museum, bronze tree number 2. There are more pieces of sacred bronze trees discovered in the 2021 excavation. Hopefully they'll shed more light on the purpose of these sacred trees. But until then, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment.